Hello and welcome to this, the second of our short series of Phrasebox videos. In our last video, we showed you how to get set up with Phrasebox and get a basic phrase playing back. If you haven't checked out that video, you can find the link in the description. In this video, we're going to get a bit more creative and design a phrase using the modifiers. Let's start with our chord sequence from the first video. As our chords only have 3 notes, we can only use rows 1 to 3 for our phrase. Let's design a simple pattern in the piano roll. It works similarly to how it would in your DAW, allowing notes of different lengths, polyphony, and moving notes off grid. Phrasebox allows up to 12 unique phrases in one instance. You can create a copy of a phrase by dragging it to another slot and select phrases by clicking on the phrase number. The phrase number can be automated in your DAW to allow variations over time. Let's copy our phrase and create some variations now. For this first variation, let's add a bit of interest by adjusting the velocity. Velocity works exactly as you'd expect. Each note has its own slider letting you adjust the value. We can even add random velocity adjustments during playback to create more variation. This will add or subtract a random amount in the range you select each time a note is played. Simply playing back the notes of the chord is interesting, but how do we go about creating more musical phrases? That's where the transpose functions come in. As you can see, we can apply transpositions and octave shifts to any notes, letting us create more melodic phrases. Unfortunately, transposed notes might not sound correct for all phrases, so we can enable the lock to key function. This will make sure that any transposed notes are repitched to fit the correct key. As our song is in C major, we can stick with the default key, but as you can see, there are a lot of different scales and modes to choose from. Let's add some transpositions to some of the notes. We can add even further variation to the playback by adjusting the chance for each note. By default, they're all set to 100%, but as we bring the values lower, we hear fewer notes being played. The number shown is a percentage. At 50%, there's a 50-50 chance a note will play. Let's bring all the chances down to 50% and hear how they sound. In our next video, we'll be exploring the special modifier rows and how to create controller values. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.